Do you have vinyl that you want to cut, but you have an older machine that you don't know what setting to put it on? I have a personal Cricut that is from way back when, and guess what? You don't even need a mat. All right, so if you have an old Cricut of any type, do you know that you don't need a mat because they probably don't even sell the mat sizes, especially if you have a little one like this. Or just as a heads up, you can cut any vinyl, just make sure it's cut to the right exact size of the mat that you originally have. So for this original personal Cricut, which I still have, and I still have cartridges, super simple, cut this to 6 3/4. That way it fits within the roller size. And then just go ahead and turn your machine on. Go ahead and load your paper. And it picks it up like it's a mat. Now here is the cool thing, and this is the easiest way to remember it. All of your dial settings, because this is one of the old machines where it has all the numbers, right? Set it to 3 3 3. So you're doing a kiss cut. It's not gonna cut through the bottom mat, it's just gonna cut through the vinyl, which is super simple. So we're just gonna go ahead and type in the word happy, H-A-P-P. So this works if, in case you have an old machine, you want to use your vinyl, you still have cartridges, and you can't get it synced up with your computer. You can still use it, which I think is awesome. And then cut. And then hit unload. Here's our vinyl. It's actually cut right in here. And if you look all the way through, it is not completely cut. So just to show you guys, this is so cool. I love it. So it really gives an extended life to those old machines. Maybe your friend has one, maybe it's still in your closet, and it's, look at that, no mat needed. Perfect kiss cut, 3 3 3. So if you have one of those old machines, set it up. Just cut your vinyl to the size that is needed to fit inside your machine. I still have my old personal machine. Guess what? It's getting some more love. I'm gonna be able to cut some vinyl. So dust off your old machines, get them out, realize that even if you don't have a functioning mat, you can still use and cut your vinyl. Just make sure you set to 3 3 3, pull out those cartridges, have some fun, create some cool vinyl projects, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye everybody.